Would you look at that sunset? And this nudist beach, one of the very few in Cyprus. And this looks amazing. Super sandy and also a mix of rocks. It's not the best entry into the sea, but yeah, this is actually a lot better than Ammos Kambouri, that's just around the corner. That was super crowded. So I already took a swim over there and now I'm here. As I saw on Google Maps that this is mapped as naked beach, but there is nobody here right now except one fisherman. And I'm gonna definitely take a swim and show you how it is in the sea over here. And you have already seen the beach. So it's time to explore this nudist beach that doesn't have a name. But as I mentioned, it's just around the corner from Ammos Kambouri Beach, and you can check also the pin on the map. Let's see, what do we have here? Super old rocks. And yes, I didn't mention that it is 1st of September and current time 6:22 p.m. and 28 degrees Celsius in the air. Perfect climate here in Cyprus. Okay, I see now that's why there is nobody on the beach, because it is very hard to get into the water. And there are some crabs also over here that I see. But we're gonna make it work somehow. I think. So yes, if you're looking for a nudist beach close to Ayia Napa, this is the one for you. Now let's check out the entry into the water, because this one here is not promising. It might be that it's very hard to get in. Let's check out while we enjoy the beautiful sunset over here. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. This looks dangerous. Wow. What a fantastic view, anyway. Isn't it? Okay, we need to... Okay, it's not that crazy. I think we can manage to get in and out safely. Brilliant. Okay, so from the no-name nudist beach, this is how the entry to the sea looks like, and we are ready to dive in. Let's go! It's beautiful. A little bit hard to get in, as I mentioned, and you have seen, but it's beautiful. And here at this nudist beach you can find your inner peace and the best sunset you can find in the Ayia Napa. That's how the beach looks like. Cool. Then that's a wrap from this nudist or naked beach here in Ayia Napa, Cyprus. And thanks for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!